For example, vegetables as per the science we need for every person. Every person in India should eat 300 grams of vegetables, but Indian reality only availability of the vegetables per day only 180 grams. Every person in India should eat 100 grams of fruits per day, but availability of the fruits only 58 grams. Every person in India should eat 180 eggs per year, but availability of the eggs only 30. Every person in India should eat 11 kilograms of meat per year, but availability of the meat only 3.2 kilograms per year. Every person should take 300 milliliters of the milk per day, but only availability of the milk to 10 milliliters a day. Actual statistics in our India, availability of the food grains per day only 180 grams vegetables and 58 grams fruits, and availability of the meat only 3.2 kilograms. It is the actual statistics in our India. But compared to the other nations like Europe and USA, availability of the food grains very high. In Europe, 700 grams and USA 850 grams availability per day. Compared to the other nations, our Indian per capita availability is very low when compared to Europe and USA. Children, next we discuss about access to food. Three components are very important to food security. First one is availability of the food grains. Second one is accessibility of the food grains. Access to food means everyone should be able to buy the food grains. How do the people are getting the food in reality? Coming to the urban areas, we need the calories of energy for them. Perform day-to-day activities, we need 2100 kilocalories per day. Coming to the rural areas, they need 2400 kilocalories per day. Children, next we discuss about access to food. Three components are very important to food security. First one is availability of the food grains. Second one is accessibility of the food grains. Access to food means everyone should be able to buy the food grains. How do the people are getting the food in reality? Coming to the urban areas, we need the calories of energy for them. Perform day-to-day activities, we need 2100 kilocalories per day. Coming to the rural areas, they need 2400 kilocalories per day. Children, next we observe graph 3. Calorie intake per person in rural India. The national average calorie levels in both rural and urban areas. In 1983 and 2004, this period of time, our Indian economy was growing. At the same time, production, goods and services also increasing. But rural and urban areas people purchasing power was very low. 80% of the people in rural areas, they take lowest calories of food. Means they take under 2400 kilocalories of food. In rural areas, we have a system of the people of working for long hours under the heavy sun. Sunrises are directly falling, the loss of energy. But in our Indian people have many problems like poverty, unemployment, public facilities, etc. Next we discuss public distribution system, PDS. Public distribution system is most important for poor people and incomeless people because the government providing the food grains for poor and incomeless people. Some caste and categories people incomes are very less. The government recognized the BPL people. BPL means below poverty line. Below poverty line people recognized by the government of particular state. The state issue the various cards for them like white cards and pink card and Antyodaya card etc. The government providing the white card holders per kg only 1 rupee. Antyodaya card holders get 35 kgs food grains like rice and wheat per month per family. Public distribution system. The government providing the food grains for poor people, rice, pulses, kerosene, wheat, all these things are issued by the government to get ensure the people less amount. For example, a rickshaw puller. Rickshaw puller he spent only 200 rupees to get rice, wheat and other items for 15 days. What about other next 15 days? He purchased food grains for 15 days he spent more money. Next we discuss about buffer stock. PDS system is supported to buffer stock. What is buffer stock? Buffer stock is nothing but a stored stock. Store the amount of the rice under the FCI. What is FCI? Food Corporation of India. Food Corporation of India buys rice from the rural people or from the farmers directly with the price announced for them earlier, that is called MSP. MSP means minimum support price. FCI under the central government. Recently in 2013, the central government as UPA government brought the right to food. 3/4 therefore of the rural population, 1/2 of the urban population to get benefit to right to food. In entire, 2/3 of the population get the benefits wheat, dal, pulses, cereals, all these for them at the rate of 2 rupees, 3 rupees and 4 rupees as per the requirement of the government. Integrated Central Development Scheme. Integrated Central Development Scheme of the children by the central government issued the Supreme Court. First, the Tamil Nadu state conducted the program midday meals for below 14 years children. After all the states are conducted the program midday meals for below 14 years children. Next we discuss nutrition status. What do we contain in our food? We contain carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. We contain carbohydrates which are necessary for us, generate our body, which we need energy for us. We get it from wheat, rice, ragi, jowar, oils and sugar, etc. Proteins. We get from the proteins beans, dals, meat, eggs, rice, wheat, etc. Vitamins. We get from the fruits, vegetables and etc. Minerals. Minerals also we get from vegetables and fruits and ragi, etc. In our India, National Institute of Nutrition. National Institute of Nutrition conducted a survey. In this survey, 50 to 60% of the Indians or the children are under the weight or below weight as per the requirement. Gujarat, UP, Bihar, more than 50% of the children are under the weight or less weight. And Kerala is the lowest, only 25% children having the impact under the weight. Nutritional level food plays a very vital role. How do we access like whether the persons getting the nutritional weight or not?
If the people are below then the regular weight which are required as per the age and body mass index. If they are not able to fulfill all these things when automatically come to the less weight. A body should be having certain amount of the weight, should be maintained that weight to meet the requirement of the daily body mass activities. If these activities cannot properly, if your mind, heart don't function properly, then create some kinds of health issues. Nowadays, young people also having health issues. All these things are happen, lack of food, insufficient food for all.